Hi, do you know that consumption of alcohol causes harmful effects on oral cavity? Here Dr. Happy explaining you the effects of alcohol on oral cavity. Once in a while or occasional drinking of beer, wine or any hot drinks is fine. But habitual drinking or long-term consumption of alcohol will cause cirrhosis of the liver, hypertension, heart attack and stroke. The consumption of alcohol not only causes the harmful effects of other parts of the body, but it also causes harmful effects on the oral cavity. Alcohol, along with the tobacco, known to cause the risk of oral cancer 10 times. The consumption of alcohol, as in recent studies, has shown that they have known to cause the throat as well as the oral cancer. What's the reason behind the harmful effects of alcohol on oral cavity? The alcohol that will cause the mouth dryness or the dehydration. So once the mouth dry, the absorption rate get increased. Because of that, all the chemicals get absorbed quickly into the delicate oral mucosa. The consumption of alcohol also cause the oral mucosa permeable. So all the carcinogenic bacteria will enter the oral mucosa easily. The alcohol has high acidic content. The acidic drinks will cause the tooth erosion. And consumption of alcohol most of the time will cause vomiting as well as the acid reflux that will cause the tooth erosion as well as the sensitivity and tooth decay. The consumption of alcohol will cause damage the salivary glands. It will cause atrophy of the salivary glands, so that the salivary flow will get reduced and it will cause dryness of the oral cavity. Because of the dryness, it will cause more gum problems and the tooth decay. The alcohol contains high sugar content, and alcohol also metabolizes into sugar, which in turn will attract lot of bacteria into the oral cavity, and it will in turn will cause the tooth decay. So we know that there are more harmful effects of consumption of alcohol, like tooth erosion that cause sensitivity, more tooth decay, more plaque deposition and more gum problems, periodontal problems and more chance to get the oral cancer. So here are some of the tips that will reduce the impact of the harmful effects on the oral cavity. So you can choose a drink that contains less alcoholic content, and you can drink a glass of water after every alcoholic drink, and avoid the salty snacks that will encourage you to drink more. Chew the sugar-free gums that will stimulate your salivary gland and will increase the salivary flow, that in turn will decrease the formation of tooth decay. And you can brush and floss as well as use antibacterial mouthwash after the alcoholic drink, and visit the dentist to do a scaling as well as to rule out for any lesions. So all alcoholic consumers should know what's the impact and how the effect of alcohol on the oral cavity, so that you can reduce the risk of the impact on the oral cavity. And it's very important that it just reduce the impact on the oral cavity. So it's a time for you to change your habit so that you can protect your oral cavity and live a healthy life. I hope this video is useful for you. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.